Can they keep it alive again? Riley dumps it over. And the Blue Knights are still.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the 2021 Division I AA State Champion Volleyball Team, your Blue Knights. Number 1, middle blocker, senior Nia Brown. Number 2, outside hitter, senior Sydney Rucker. Number 3, defensive specialist, freshman Amanda Paulo. Number 4, outside hitter, sophomore Magnolia Adams. Number 5, junior middle blocker, Gabby Land. Number 6, libero, junior, Sonia Jayathalake. Number 7, right side, senior, Brooklyn Damon. Number 8, defensive specialist, senior, Mary Blaney. Number 9, setter, junior, Kara Lamonis. Number 10, setter, senior, Sanaya Riley. Number 11, right side, junior, Lily Hall. And number 12, outside hitter, senior, and match MVP, Sanaa Williams. At this time, a couple of seniors would like to say some things, and up first, Sydney Rucker.
Hello, everyone. First, I just want to say thank you all for watching and cheering us on, being here, or if you could make it to the game. We really appreciated it. I really just want to first just thank the seniors up here. We've had a long, thank you. We've had a long 4 years with a lot of different coaches and just, a lot of struggles that we've had to deal with. And so it's been really great to see all our hard work really pay off with the state championship. I mean, I know we all felt the loss of last year virtually, but it was really hard for us after we lost our season. And so we really knew we had to come out there and just dominate. And I'm so proud of all of the hard work and just that we actually got to do that. I also want to thank all the teachers that were here supporting and, letting the students miss some class and all of that. It was greatly appreciated. And I'm so grateful that we're all back in the building together and to really just support each other through all of this. So thank you, everyone.
Okay, I just want to say thank everybody for all the love and support. We really felt it out on the court, so we really thank you.
Hey guys, I just want to say thank you. The amount of support that we've gotten this week is insane. I couldn't imagine winning state with any other team at any other school. I also want to give a special shout out to the freshmen because they were at every single home game this entire season, and that's a really good support system for us. Also, thank you to everyone that drove out to Murfreesboro. I don't think we could have won without that energy in the gym. It was really crazy. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys.
Okay, I just want to give a big shout out to all of these girls and the amazing things that they did this season. A lot of people definitely stepped up and had a lot of support and just everything. It was amazing. And having you all there in the gym, seeing the videos of you guys cheering for us gave us all goosebumps, and we were all talking about it. So really, really, really appreciate all of the support.
Hey guys, I thought I'd have a podium, but it's cool. Obviously we go to a magnet school, so it's really hard for everybody, to miss a day of school. So it's really means so much to me, so much to the whole team that you guys either, came here and watched in the watch party or came all the way out there. Even the principals, Dr. Bonelli, Dr. Hargis, Coach Blair, Dr. Battle, everybody really just came out to support. It wasn't just, the day for you guys to skip school. You guys really came and seeing when we won, everybody cheering here and everybody cheering there. It really just meant so much to us. It was really the perfect ending to a high school career. So thank you guys.
Real quick, hold on.
I just want to say thank you for all the support, guys, and I love you all.
All right, the girls.
Everybody. Well, before we do this, I have a few things to say. I know you get excited about the singing. First of all, let's give it up for Dr. Battle, who was not only here today, but was with us Friday at the game, celebrating and supporting. Thank you, Dr. Battle. Dr. Battle, would you like to say anything or share some insights or celebrate, come on up. Dr. Battle was even sporting a Hume-Fogg t-shirt on Friday, so.
That's right, a blue night for a day. I just wanted to come and say congratulations again to the entire student body, definitely to our varsity volleyball team. You all did an excellent job. To your coach, all of your teachers, excellent job, and thank you so much for representing Metro Nashville Public Schools so well, and definitely Hume-Fogg. You know, while I was at the game, not only was I impressed by the skills of the team on the court, I was so impressed by your school spirit. And I believe there was a young man at the game named Matt Childress. Are you here? Come on up, Matt. Now, I have to say, Matt had no idea I was getting ready to call his name. But when they invited me to come and they said, would you like to share a few words? And I was like, oh, no, I don't want to rain on their party. I just want to support them. I thought to myself, how about one more Hume-Fogg cheer, chant for the road? So Matt is going to lead us in one more chant to celebrate the victory, the state championship, and to kick off the week.
All right. Woo! That's hard to follow. I also want to have you acknowledge, wave, celebrate. We've got so many people from our Metro Nashville Public Schools support hub, the central office, administration. They're all lining the back there to celebrate with us, so give them a big shout out. Coming out on a rainy Monday. All right, we know what it's time to do. Can we do this, ladies? Yeah. Everybody, please rise for the singing of the alma mater. I'm going to go over here, get out of the limelight, let you all be in front. On the city central corner, reared against the sky, proudly stands our alma mater as the years roll by. Forward ever be our watchword. Hail to thee, our alma mater, Hume-Fogg high all hail. Cherished by her own forever, memories sweet shall throng. Round our hearts our alma mater, as we sing our song. Forward ever be our watchword. Hail to thee, our alma mater, Hume-Fogg high all hail. Woo! University, Hume-Fogg. Yeah. Hey, and last but not least, before I dismiss you, I forgot one very special thing. We do it every day. Graham Gordon and Ursima Simon, happy birthday. We love you so much and are so happy that you are members of our Hume-Fogg family. We hope this day is special for you because you are so very special to us, to all of us. Very good. Thanks. You are dismissed.